Hello happy crocheters, this is Lindsay from windingroadcrochet.com. Today I'm going to show you how to do the Colosseum stitch. Now technically this is not a official stitch, it's just a stitch pattern that I put together. I think it looks really pretty and I think it looks like all the arches that you see on the Roman Colosseum. This stitch uses the single crochet, a chain, and double crochet to complete. For this project, I'm going to be using Bernat Softy Cotton. It is a lightweight yarn, and I'm going to be using a size H crochet hook. To get started, we're going to make a slip knot and put this on our hook. And now we're going to chain, and you can work any even number of chains for this project. So once you have your chain made, we are going to single crochet in the second chain from the hook. I'm going to work into the back bumps, but you can work into this chain any way you like. You want to work one single crochet into every chain across. At the end of this row, you should have an odd number of stitches. When you reach the end of the row, I am going to chain one and turn. I do not count my turning chain as a stitch for this pattern, and I also like to use this chain one method to minimize the look of the turning chain. So what you're going to do is chain one and then gently pull up on that stitch. We're going to double crochet into the very first stitch. Now we will chain one, skip the next stitch, and work a double crochet into the following stitch. Now we're just going to repeat this all the way across our project. So chain one again, skip the next stitch, and double crochet into the following stitch. And repeat this until you reach the end of your row. Your last double crochet should be in the last stitch of the row. So here we are at the end. We're going to chain one once more and double crochet into the very last stitch of the row. For row 3, we're going to chain one and turn our work. We are going to single crochet in every stitch and every chain one space all the way across our project. We are going to single crochet into the very first stitch, and then we are going to single crochet into the chain one space. Again into the next stitch, and a single crochet into the chain one space, and we will continue this all the way across our row. So here is what your row looks like at the end of row 3. Now all we need to do is continue repeating rows 2 and 3 until your project is as big as you'd like it to be. So we're going to chain one and turn and double crochet into the first stitch. We're then going to chain one, skip a stitch, and double crochet in the following stitch. And then just repeat that pattern all the way across. Different projects you could use this stitch pattern for would include beach bags, market bags, shawls, a swimming suit cover-up, or a nice airy springtime scarf. When you reach the end of the row, we're just going to chain one and turn, and just like row 3, we are going to single crochet in every stitch and chain one space across. For this stitch pattern, you definitely want to make sure you end with a all single crochet row. And there you have it. That is how you do the Colosseum stitch pattern. I hope you liked this video tutorial. Let me know what you think of the stitch below, and let me know if you'd like to see more stitch combinations like this in the future. As always, thank you so much for watching.